Abasae nigo bairwo basemia igoro y'echinjera cyo komenya nabo igo gwetanga kurwa ase amaroire a anene kigima Aliansoni buna enyamoreo
Obasemia obo nigo bono bwatokwa neri shirika limanyikaine buna daraja 2 Vision Volunteers likobwatana ne serikali ye county ya Kisii urenchira yamo yokobaikirania abamurabo na barabo banyara ko bakomenya ase enchirengia ase barachie kwegandaria ase emiroberio yabo ase ebinyoro ao muri kitowe Cliforenge agotumanya ase enchiro bwikirana
unenchira yamo yogoro basemia gochia asaba sae igoro y'echinjera chingia cyo komenya nabo igo gwetanga kurwa ase amaroire buna enyamoreo nigori shirika lya daraja 2 Vision Volunteers likobwaterana na serikali ya county ya Kisii yatwara musangerekano na bamura kurwa ase county iyo likoba basemia igoro y'echinjera cyo kuba abererania bamangana ase binyoro igoro ya maroira yo.
Today we gathered here to have this workshop done since morning till this evening, and our major focus as the organization.
Hivyo tumehamasisha hawa vijana wakuwe our advocates, waende mashinani, mashuleni, popote watakuwa, ili wakuwe our champions. Pia masuala ya dhuluma ya kijinsia, ili swala tumeliongelelea kwa other forums, na hatuje kuwa na wakati kama wa leo ambao tumeleta vijana watusaidie kueneza hii injili kwa kijiji, majumbani na hata shuleni wanaposoma.
County ya Kisii negatie county kirachibwata karenga kanene kyo bwambukiria boborere bwenyamoreo anene kigima asaba sae
that we have received the information across the Kisii county that HIV prevalence at the moment is alarming.
HIV in Kisii is spreading so fast, more so in this young generation. Tunaongelelea asilimia karibu 15 mpaka 24 ambayo ni ya juu sana kwa hawa vijana wetu kupata new infections.
Nigo kubolia kwa rwegwa buno kubwatana na kobe yogatiye bitengo ao bya serikali amona masirikande regokiania ekerengo kyo bwererania bwenyamoreo.
Tusipo tidia maanani ili swala our future generation iko na shida. Ndio maana tunataka vijana wetu wahamazishwe na wakuwe tayari kupambana na hili changa la HIV.
Ni shirika lya daraja 2 Vision Volunteers nigoli akabunambiye mono ase serikali ya county ya Kisii asoko bwatira na barabo eliokorwa basemia obwo.
Yeah, and as an organization we are happy that we have come to an end. We have done this success, and I want to encourage all the youths out there that this is just a beginning. Kisii County is going to be one of the best counties in terms of HIV and AIDS, in terms of fighting the teenage pregnancy, and also in the fight to end the GBV, gender-based violence.
Ekati abali banyoro basemia obwo ni go bate babunani gere byakagima asoko banyora abamura na barabo nanyene kira bange babaire bako banyora na kobegerera abanyaroka.
Say thank you to Daraja 2 Vision Volunteers for giving the young gentlemen an opportunity to learn and to be able to transform our society. Today being a day that we are talking about issues triple threat, again I want to say thank you. Since our young boys and girls down in the community, we want to make this thing everybody's role, that it is a boy's role and it's also a girl's role.
So that after the workshop, we go back to the society from grassroots level to spread the information of early pregnancy prevention, gender-based violence prevention, and HIV and AIDS prevention.
Bono ni getigarite asaba saibonsi kwaneka buna chingente chiabo ne chindonge eligwetanga kurwa samorire ao inkoripoteria Nsoko TV kurwa ase county ya Kisii ereteriane Wycliffe Orenge.